Hi guys, today is an easy day because we're going to make egg fried rice. It's easy to make, it's delicious, and I'm sure you will love it. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So I've been working like 12 hours a day for the whole week and I'm tired, but I want to eat something delicious and easy to make. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. Any vegetables that you like will do. If you don't have a rice cooker, I'll show you how to cook rice to be used for fried rice on a stove top. We have 1 cup of jasmine rice and wash the rice 3 to 4 times just like this. I use a non-stick pot. Add 1 cup of water and a tablespoon of olive oil to avoid sticking too much. Bring to a boil and watch very carefully. Then lower the heat to medium. After 10 minutes, change the temperature to low. After 5 minutes, the rice will be ready. See how nice and fluffy. Transfer the rice onto a white container just like this. If you are pressed with time, you may leave the rice in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. It's fine. Combine dark soy sauce and oyster sauce onto a small bowl and stir to combine. For the green onions, we will use half with the white part for sautéing and the other half for garnish. Mince the garlic. Crack the eggs. Add a teaspoon of water and whisk until well blended. Break up the rice so it will be easier to manage during frying. Normally 1 cup of rice will yield 2 cups when cooked. This one is about 3 cups. On medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the pan is hot, add the eggs into the skillet. Using a wooden spoon or a silicone spatula, gently scramble the egg for about 30 seconds. Then push the egg onto the colder side of the pot. Now let's add the frozen vegetables. Saute for about 2 minutes. I find frozen vegetables easier to cook for fried rice. You may use any vegetables that you like, or you may add bean sprouts also. Break up the eggs with a spatula and mix with the vegetables, then transfer on a separate container and set them aside. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add the green onions and saute for another 30 seconds. Add the cooked rice. Break the clumps up and stir fry for about 5 minutes or until you see some rice pieces jumping and dancing on the pan and the rice is getting too sticky. You may use 2 spatulas to fry the rice really well, perfectly. Now let's add the sauce that we mixed earlier on the side of the wok to let it boil before touching the rice. Mix well to combine. Add the vegetables and eggs back into the same pan. Mix well and stir fry the ingredients for just a minute or so. Add black pepper and honey or sugar. Mix well until well combined. At this point, you may taste the rice and see if you will need to add more salt or sugar to your liking. We are done. Yay! Transfer the rice onto a plate or bowl and garnish with green onions. It's a beautiful egg fried rice. I made garlic longanisa for our next video, and I've been testing them. Let's cook a few as a perfect pair with the egg fried rice. I'm making it rounded and flat for now, but on our next video, they will be just like the traditional longanisa. Look how beautiful it is. Look, nice and moist. This is made of ground turkey. All right, let's try, okay? Let's do the taste test. Okay, now let's do the taste test. We have a beautiful plate of egg fried rice. Let's make our own plate, like how they serve it in the restaurant. Let's make it pretty. All right. Let's do this. Are you ready? Okay, I am. Ta-da! I have here garlic longanisa that I made from scratch. But how I did it, I made them, you know, rounded, flat. So let's do the taste test. Of course, fried rice first, right? Pretty. Egg fried rice. Delicious. Have you ever had those knock-knock jokes? I still remember during the, when I was young in the Philippines, we did some knock-knock jokes. Okay, I have one for you. Pilay. Knock-knock. Who's there? Pilay. Pilay who? Pilay me to the moon. Are we gonna get copyrighted here? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna continue eating this wonderful and delicious egg fried rice. Beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so excited because, even if, I was tired, we're able to make this delicious egg fried rice. So you guys have a wonderful day. Hug your loved ones. A big hug for you. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to check out another video, here it is. Check this out. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Take care. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now. Paalam.